To me.
Yeah. 218s and 2 JP23 straps, so they run at 6K.
Okay. Wow. Who built this box? Looks good.
Did.
Sweet.
I did everything last week just to get it here.
All right. Y'all come in.
That door handle's a little funky. You can open this one over here.
Okay. I was gonna look at the amp.
Yeah, you can see it in the middle.
Oh, through the middle, the amp is here. Okay. Sweet.
I got 64 amp hours of headway with this.
Okay. How big is the box, cubic wise and tuning?
It's about 14 cubes and tuned around 28.
28. All right. Nice. I like it.
It's a budget build that we threw together.
You did it good.
Getting up there. It's my first big build. First time metering. Got first place in Limited 2. So.
Nice. What was the SPL score out of it?
I did a 159.88 at 40 hertz. Or 149.
149. All right, almost a 50. All right, sweet.
Almost a 50.
Yeah, man. Right out the bat and didn't even do any kind of tweaking, so that's pretty good. Sweet.
We need a radio next.
So you'll just finish? I smell paint.
Yeah, we just finished it like
Friday night? Yeah.
Okay.
We're a little rushed.
Oh, wow, okay.
here. If it'll let you connect, just give me your phone. You know, mess me up. Connect it to my radio. Mess me up.
What's your alternator size?
It's a factory 250 amp alt.
Okay.
So it's doing all right for a factory alt.
Yeah. You know, these strapped?
Yeah, they're strapped at 2 ohms.
Okay. So 1 ohm each.
Technical difficulties.
It's all good.
I saw you walking by, they're like, hey, there's...
It'd be a good time to stop by.
And I was like, oh, yeah, it's JACOBVIRAL.
Yeah, I do a good bit of videos. And these are rated at, I think, 1,500 RMS?
1,600 for the 18.
1,600, okay. Sweet. What made you invert instead of regular mount?
It looks cool.
It just looks cooler. You like it. It's easier to wire too.
And it keeps them cooler.
Yeah.
It wasn't trying to save space because it has more than it needs, but I could use a little bit smaller box, honestly.
Okay.
Connecting or something? Yeah, it's doing that thing it did the other night. Just turned the truck completely off. We did that. We going to sing song. It's funny for me. How much was the radio?
There we go. All right, yeah, there we go. Now we're connected.
Ready? I was taking a couple pictures. So I got backseat demo. All right.
It's a little louder back there.
Yeah. Usually closer to the subs are louder.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
pretty good. I like it.
It's a budget build that we threw together.
You did it good.
Getting up there. It's my
You did-
first big build, first time metering, got first place in Limited
Sweet.
2. So.
Nice. What was the SPL score out of it?
And then a 159.88 at 40 acres. Or 149.
149. All right, almost a 50. All right, sweet.
Almost a 50.
Yeah, man. Right out the bat and didn't even do any kind of tweaking, so that's pretty good. Sweet.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome, man.